Consider point P on the unit circle with coordinates x, y in quadrant 2. Which of the following values are equivalent to y? All right, so sine, more sine, and even more sine. There's a point, there's a unit circle. Now that we're in AP Precalculus, get rid of SOHCAHTOA thoughts and replace them with this. Sine theta, okay, in general, and yeah, this does come from SOHCAHTOA, but we're simplifying it, is going to be y over r. Now, the nice thing about sine theta with a unit circle is r is 1. So sine theta is going to be y over 1, which is just y. So number 1 is going to be very basic. Now let's be careful before we move forward. We're looking at this point right here. This point lives in quadrant 2, which means this point has a value of negative like 0.3, positive like 0.9. But we'll just focus on the fact that it's negative x, positive y. So issue number 1, sine theta, is going to be just a positive y value. So sine theta is y for issue number 1. Circle that guy. Now let's take a look at concern number 2. Sine 180 minus theta. 180 is a half spin around the circle. So 180 minus theta has me taking this point and spinning it over here somewhere, give or take. This point is now a positive x, negative y. So issue number 2, sine theta is going to be a negative y value, which means 2 is no good because we want just a regular y. Now 3, I'm not going to overthink it at all. 3, that's supposed to be purple, is 360 minus theta. Basically, if you're going to go 360, you're going to spin it completely around and end up in the same exact spot that you were before. So 3 is the same as 1. So 3 is an answer because 3 is the same as 1. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.